first part is, it is not fair to compare a high street, a space owner or a store owner with a mall owner, because the amount of investment, the amount of risk, and the amount of debt that a high street landowner versus a mall owner put and expect are very, very different. So we are looking at 100 times more investment, 100 times more risk, and then hence they are no. So it's not fair to compare. High street guys did this and mall guys did this. So that is one part of it, and the payback periods are different. The risk levels are different. The second part is Prestige Group understand retail. Our promoter started the group from a retail store, from a single store, and went on to become one of the largest developers. So probably we are one of few developers who started off with retail and then moved into forward integrated into real estate development. Now, when this COVID situation happened, so we have 9 malls in South India. We have about 4 million square feet. We have 1,500 stores. So when this COVID situation occurred, I think before anybody could ask, Prestige was the first retailer in the country, maybe for the first mall developer in the country, maybe the first mall developer in the world, I don't know, to announce full rental waiver, 100% rental waiver throughout the lockdown period. This is what we did. And this was announced pan-India. Now, I am a little surprised and a little disappointed with the responses that are coming in, and we have been hearing from many partners. All of them, almost all the panelists, the retailer side are my friends. I know them for decades. Now, what is disappointing is that we are knocking on the wrong door here, because Mukesh did touch upon the stakeholders. So there are 3 stakeholders in our business. Retailers are one. We mall owners are 2. There's a third stakeholder, the most important stakeholder. And I think that is where the solution lies. So instead of we discussing about rent so much, now I'm talking about Prestige. We have waived the rentals during the lockdown period in full. Now going forward, post-opening, to talk about rental or talk about a rental arrangement, according to me, is wrong, because the rent is paid by the consumers. So if we work on getting the consumers into the mall and get the business back to the levels that it was, or at least as close as possible to what it was, I think that will change the game, and that is where the solution lies. So I would rather ask those questions or discuss those aspects of business which will bring the consumers back. Now, I'll tell you what malls have done. We all have ourselves an association. So we have upgraded all aspects of the mall business in terms of the material, the machine, the method. We invested more than 50 lakhs per mall in response to the COVID situation. We have upgraded our methodologies, and we have a huge advertising campaign planned, and we have changed the way the malls would operate. We have changed the way the customers will see, and we are communicating that to the customers of what they could expect and how it will be different. Now, we are not seeing much response from retailers to come forward and join us and go back to the consumers, because the consumer might surprise us. I mean, the safety levels that a controlled environment can offer cannot be matched by an high street. That is what we have to understand. That's why it is called a controlled environment, and maybe there is a turning point for the mall industry going forward. So that is what we want the retailers to understand. Now, the subject itself of up against the rentals, sounds like up against the golden goose, or up against the goose that lays the golden egg. Because if we, we have done our bit, and I'm speaking after doing our bit, that we have waived the rental during it has costed us excess of 100 crores. Now, after doing that, if somebody has to, put a gun on my head and say, okay, I will not open, then so be it. Because you have not understood the relationship, and you have not understood the business, my friend. Because you're trying to extract value from me, whereas we have to collectively extract value from the consumers. So hence, let's not get into this discussion. Let's take the positive step forward. Open the stores. I want all 1,700, 1,500 plus stores to open across the country that we have. I think except Chennai, we are opening all 8 malls that we are operating, and they are going live tomorrow. And we have taken front page ads in major news papers, and we have hit the social media as well. So this is what we are saying, that we want to go with a positive note. We want to go with a positive attitude and induce confidence in the consumers in levels of safety, in levels of hygiene, and let's work together and change this whole situation for all of us by attacking the real issue and not fight among ourselves.